Well, hello, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you and sharing with you exactly how I like to do my fast and easy Halloween nails at home. It is so simple. There is no dry time, no waiting around for polish. It is just quick and easy, which I'm all about these days when it comes to my nails, because if I don't have that, I ain't having anything. Before we jump into it though, may I introduce myself to anybody who's new? My name is ashleyellix. Hi, what's up? Nice to meet you. If you like all things beauty like I do, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos from me. I am obsessed with makeup, nails, all the things beauty. Okay, so subscribe so you don't miss out. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok for some extended content. But without further ado, let's dive right in to this nail video. Okay, let's go. Boo. Okay, so what is the product that I'm talking about? It is really simply the Kiss nails. The one I'm using today is the imPRESS series. These are so fast. They do not require you to have to pre-glue ahead of time. They actually just come with little sticky tabs that are an adhesive already added to the nail. You can do it two different ways, okay? If you are in a rush and you just need a fast manicure for the weekend, you can throw these on and they usually last me about a weekend, 2 to 3 days. I know that doesn't seem like very long, but sometimes you just gotta do something really fast when you're in a rush. Now, if you want it to last longer, I have no issues with throwing on some quick glue and putting them on. These nails right now, spoiler, have already been on all week. I did do them with some glue this round, but I'm gonna show you both ways in this step just to show you how simple it is. And I love having the option to do it either way. These nails are so darn cute. I have gotten so many compliments on them and they still look so good. Like I said, it's been a week on. And bonus on top of all of that, $7, like $6.58, just under $7 if you get them at Walmart and Target. I got these at Ulta because I was desperate for some Halloween in my life. They were the first one to have them. Ulta sells them for just around $10. You can usually use a coupon too. Let's get into the tutorial though and show you how seriously fast and easy this nail application is. Okay, so these are the things that you're gonna be needing. Obviously, the imPRESS set that you're gonna be using. I like to use acetone and some cotton rounds to cleanse the actual nail beds. It does include a little wipey, but this is what I prefer to use to really dehydrate the nail bed and get it to really stick. You'll need some files if you don't like the one that comes with it. It does come with a little file. I just prefer these ones that I use. This is a more soft file that will help to remove the shine on top. I don't like to use the aggressive file that's in here. And then I have a more aggressive one to round out the tips just in case I need to. It also comes with what's called a little orange wood stick, and that's basically your cuticle pusher, and you can also clean under the nail beds as well. I have already clipped my nails. I didn't want to clip them all the way down. I want to keep a little bit of a free edge because that helps have more grip for the actual nails. I cannot get over how stinking cute these nails are though, with the bats and the ghosts, but the ghost is French tip. There's even the little glitters in there. So what I'm going to do before I start prepping the nails is I'm going to quickly measure out all my nails and see which nail is what, and I'll lay them all out. A little tip I have when sizing these, make sure when you're putting them on the nail beds to see if they fit that you're actually pressing them down. Sometimes you might grab one that's too big because you're just gently putting like, oh yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah. If you don't press it down, once you go to do it, it might go over the free edge and then it's going to be too big. It's going to fall off really easier. It's going to get caught in your hair and we want to avoid all of that. Okay, so I sized everything, and a completely optional step if you feel like you're almost in between sizes of one of the nails like I am for my middle finger with this size 3, I don't have another 4, so I'm going to actually take my file and just around the edges I kind of feel it on my skin, and that's going to create that lifting and stuff like I said that we want to avoid. So I'm just taking it right on the edge and just smoothing it a little bit, and then that is helping it to fit a little bit better. Okay, there are my nails all laid out in order, so it makes it easy. Now let's officially prep the nails. And keep these in case you have one pop off and you need to re-stick one real quick in the coming weeks. And since I already trimmed my nails down to the length I'd like, I'm gonna take that orange wood stick now and push the cuticle back, or you can use your cuticle pusher if you have one. But this is an important step because you wanna get the nail all the way up to the cuticle cuticle. Make sure you're not covering it, because if you cover the cuticle, it will cause lifting much faster and you can damage your cuticle bed as well. Once your cuticles are pushed back, you can take a soft file and gently just remove the shine of the top layer of the nails. Don't go too deep, don't press too hard, and don't use too rough of a file, but you doing this step will help improve the longevity of how long the nails will last for you. As you see, my nails are quite dusty and you don't want to leave that, but whether you buff the nails or not, either way you do need to prep the nails. So if you don't want it to last very long, say you just want it for a weekend, just use the prep step pad that they give you. Don't worry about buffing the nails, but if you want it to last longer, buff the nails like I just did. I'm gonna grab my acetone, put it on the little cotton swab, and just do a quick swipe on the nails to remove that shine and any kind of extra oil that's left. This will work as an extra dehydrator, but that dries pretty fast, and let's start sticking. Okay, I'm gonna remove the backing here on the nail, and there's the little sticky right in there. No glue required. It is pre-glued for you. I'm gonna take the nail and I'm actually going to push it up to the cuticle, pressing down and pressing all around. Make sure to really press it, and I'm gonna hold it for at least 1 minute. Okay, fast forward, and that feels like it's on pretty good. I can actually feel like it's just as strong as using glue, just like that feeling. If you know, you know. Let's move on to the next nail, and again, press up. Make sure that it is not going over the free edge and sticking to your skin. Once you feel like that's secure, go ahead and press down. And I'm also kind of pressing all around. So not just holding it, I'm just making sure that it's pressing all around, getting nice and stuck on the whole nail bed. Okay, so if you want to glue the nails on for a longer lasting nail set, I'm gonna grab my Kiss Power Flex nail glue that I can get at Target. So first I'm taking the nail and I'm actually going to apply glue all over the nail and then go in with the glue on the actual nail. Pop that back in and we are ready to apply the same way we were doing with sticky tabs. Just take it, push it up to the base. Make sure it's all on there, and then I'm going to press it down, press it on all the sides, and make sure that it's really, really on there. I almost feel like it's faster when you want to glue it as opposed to using the sticky tabs, because I don't have to hold it as long to feel like it is secure and on there. Okay, seems simple enough, right? Let me go ahead and quickly do the rest of my nails. Okay, both sides are all done, and you know what's nice about having no glue, no dry time is I was able to stop my manicure halfway through and help get my baby, who woke up early from her nap. I don't think she's feeling great. So she is up with me now, and I can finish really quickly and watch her play at the same time. And if I have to stop, I have no wet nails. But anyways, I don't need to tell you how amazing it is to not have to stop. That's what they look like. You'll notice my two sides do look different because I actually went ahead and filed around the edges already on this side, because you'll see this shape is very square, which is totally fine if you like that look. On my nails, on my hand, I prefer a little rounded edge, also with little ones. These are just kind of sharp. So even if you want to keep this shape, I do recommend taking your file, either your own that you like or the one that comes with the imPRESS nail set, and just soften the edge a little bit. Just make sure not to go on top or you'll mess up and it'll make scratches, but just make sure to go right on the edge there. Also, I needed to make sure I did it anyway with the thumb, either way, whether I rounded it or not. I needed to bring that length down on my thumbnail. I noticed that the thumb was way longer than the rest. So it is good that you can kind of customize it to your shape, and I really like how easy it is to file these. Some nail brands, like the Ardell nails, are so incredibly flimsy that if you try to file them, they will bend and shift on you. Every nail product that I've tried from Kiss so far has been absolutely incredible. I've been using them for years now. Highly recommend them. And they have like the best price point. So best price point with the best quality, in my opinion. All right, so that's it for this nail video. Let me know what you guys think of this little Halloween manicure. Is this something that you already do or you are interested in trying out for yourself? One little tip that I have that I wanted to add, if you are gluing them on, make sure to have like a little glue bottle with you you when you're out and about, just in case one pops off, because I have had that happen before. But when you have your glue bottle, it's easy. You pop it back on. It's like nothing ever happened. It's so fast and simple. But yeah, that is it. Make sure you subscribe if you are new to my channel on my face so you don't miss out on future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.